Hi there. Today we're checking out the KES bathtub faucet replacement, a durable and stylish upgrade for your bathroom. Made with rust-resistant 18/8 stainless steel and metal construction, this faucet solves common plastic nipple issues. Its 4 premium seals prevent leaks, while the hidden sealing groove fits snugly against the wall to stop water damage. With a high flow rate, it fills a 30-gallon tub in just 6 minutes, 10% faster than others. Installation is easy thanks to enlarged screw holes and a slip-on design that fits 1/2-inch copper pipes. The rounded spout design reduces injury risk, and the anti-slip diverter handle offers comfort and control for all family members. Plus, its sleek round and square style complements any bathroom decor beautifully. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.